Welcome to the exciting holidays. Whether you're looking for adventure or just want to relax on October 23rd and 24th, there's a celebration for everyone. Remember to send happy thoughts to those celebrating birthdays or other important events on these special days. National iPod Day. National iPod Day is observed on October 23rd. It commemorates the day Apple introduced the iPod in 2001. The iPod revolutionized the way we listen to music, effectively changing the music industry and how consumers interacted with their music collections. Before the rise of smartphones with integrated music players, the iPod was the dominant portable music player in the market. Its easy-to-use interface, compact size, and large storage capacity made it an instant hit. Over the years, Apple released various models, from the iPod Classic to the iPod Touch. National iPod Day is a chance to remember the impact of this iconic device, as it marks an important milestone in the convergence of technology and entertainment. For many, it's a nostalgic day to recall the first iPod they owned and the soundtrack of their lives during its peak popularity. National Mole Day. National Mole Day is celebrated among chemists and chemistry students on October 23rd, from 6:02 a.m. to 6:02 p.m., to commemorate Avogadro's number, 6.02 by 10 to the power of 23, which is a fundamental measuring unit in chemistry. This day is not about the small mammal or the spicy Mexican sauce but rather the concept in chemistry that deals with the mole, a basic measuring unit. Avogadro's number represents the number of atoms in exactly 12 grams of carbon-12, and a mole of any substance contains this many elementary entities, be they atoms, molecules, protons, etc. The concept is a central one for stoichiometry and chemistry. National Mole Day is an opportunity for educators to engage students in various activities that help them understand the concept of the mole and its importance in chemistry. The celebration often includes jokes, puns, and various activities related to the mole concept. National Boston Cream Pie Day. National Boston Cream Pie Day is celebrated on October 23rd. This day is dedicated to honoring the Boston cream pie, which, despite its name, is actually a cake and not a pie. It consists of 2 layers of sponge cake filled with creamy custard and topped with a chocolate glaze. The Boston cream pie was declared the official dessert of Massachusetts in 1996. Its origins trace back to the Parker House Hotel in Boston, where it was created in the mid-19th century. Over time, this dessert has become an iconic treat and is loved by many across the United States. On National Boston Cream Pie Day, enthusiasts may indulge in this dessert, bake their own versions at home, or partake in events or specials at bakeries and restaurants that celebrate this delightful treat. National Bologna Day. National Bologna Day is celebrated on October 24th. It's a day dedicated to the famous lunch meat known as bologna, a type of sausage that's particularly popular in the United States, especially in sandwiches. Bologna, pronounced bologna in American English, is similar to the Italian mortadella, a large sausage or luncheon meat made of finely hashed or ground, heat-cured pork, which originates from Bologna, Italy. American bologna often contains beef, pork, turkey, chicken, or a combination, along with various seasonings. On National Bologna Day, fans of this meat might enjoy a classic bologna sandwich, fry slices of bologna for breakfast or dinner, or even partake in events or specials at local delis or eateries. It's a lighthearted observance that gives people an excuse to enjoy a simple, nostalgic comfort food. United Nations Day. United Nations Day is observed on October 24th each year. It marks the anniversary of the entry into force of the United Nations Charter in 1945. With the ratification of this founding document by the majority of its signatories, including the 5 permanent members of the Security Council, the United Nations officially came into being. United Nations Day is an occasion to highlight, celebrate, and reflect on the work of the United Nations and its family of specialized agencies. The UN plays a vital role in peacekeeping, conflict resolution, development, human rights protection, addressing climate change, and so much more. Each year on this day, the global community comes together to reaffirm the original goals and ideals of the UN and to recognize its continuing efforts in addressing some of the most challenging issues of our time. Various events are held worldwide, including meetings, discussions, exhibits, and cultural performances. The UN headquarters in New York often hosts a concert to celebrate the diversity of member states and the shared goals of the organization. In essence, United Nations Day serves as a reminder of the importance of multilateralism and international cooperation in tackling global challenges and working towards a better future for all. National Food Day. National Food Day, observed on October 24th in the United States, is dedicated to promoting healthier eating habits and advocating for sustainable and ethical agricultural practices. This day emphasizes the significance of adopting a diet that benefits both individuals and the environment. The initiative is aimed at fostering discussions around important topics, such as food policies, the importance of organic and sustainable farming, reducing hunger, improving access to nutritious food, and decreasing the marketing of junk food to children. Celebrated through various community events, workshops, and educational programs, National Food Day encourages individuals to make informed food choices and to appreciate the origins of their food. By supporting local farmers and understanding sustainable agricultural methods, people can contribute to the betterment of both their health and the planet. This day serves as a reminder of the interconnectedness of our food systems and the broader implications of our daily dietary choices. World Tripe Day. World Tripe Day is celebrated on October 24th. This day is dedicated to the culinary dish made from the lining of the stomachs of various farm animals, most commonly from cows. Tripe has been a staple in many cultures around the world, prized not only for its unique texture and flavor but also for its cost-effectiveness and nutritional value. The celebration of World Tripe Day might seem quirky to some, especially those unfamiliar with the dish or where it's not a traditional food. However, for many, it's an opportunity to highlight a food item that is deeply rooted in culinary traditions, from the tripe stews of Europe to the menudo of Mexico or the pho of Vietnam. On this day, enthusiasts might prepare their favorite tripe dishes, share recipes, or even partake in events at restaurants that specialize in offal-based cuisine. That's it for today. Enjoy celebrating and have a great time making special memories with these wonderful holidays.